Hello and welcome to the BayPay Forum's daily news podcast. I'm Lisa, here to bring you the latest in payments and fintech. This episode is proudly sponsored by payacademy.com, your leading online resource for learning about the payments and fintech industry, anytime, anywhere, with over 220 courses at your fingertips. Let's dive into today's top stories. Prometeo launches its borderless banking solution. Prometeo has announced the launch of its borderless banking offering in order to support B2B financial operations between the US and LATAM markets. Lunar launches a banking app for kids and teenagers. The Nordic challenger bank Lunar has launched Lunar Youth, a kids and teens banking app, to expand its offering and customer base in the Nordic region. Mastercard and Visa linked to scam gambling sites. Mastercard and Visa have been processing payments for unlicensed gambling websites that have allegedly scammed UK customers out of significant sums of money, according to an investigation by Investigate Europe. Satispay joins forces with myPOS to improve payment solutions in Italy. Italy-based Satispay has entered into a strategic collaboration with myPOS to support Italian merchants and provide them with an advanced payment solution. Enigmatic Smile acquires a critical stake in Spaycial. Enigmatic Smile, has acquired a majority stake in Spaycial to expand into European markets and offer loyalty solutions using open banking transaction data. GoCardless and iplicit partner to expand payment options. Bank payment company GoCardless has entered into a partnership with cloud accounting platform iplicit to offer faster and more efficient payment solutions. Klaim obtains $26 million in funding. Healthcare payment acceleration solutions provider Klaim has received $10 million in Series A equity funding and an additional $16 million from a financing round. Mastercard and LikeCard introduce family banking platform in MENA. Mastercard has partnered with LikeCard, a provider of e-commerce prepaid cards in the Middle East and North Africa, MENA. Dwolla expands its integration with Plaid. US-based A2A payment solution provider Dwolla has announced that its expanded integration with Plaid is now available, allowing clients to optimize their infrastructure. Fintech expands access to Cardano ETN by cross-listing on the stock exchange. Fintech has revealed the cross-listing of its Fintech FTSE Cardano Enhanced Yield (YADA) exchange-traded note (ETN) on the German stock exchange. Mesh secures $82 million in Series B funding round. Mesh has announced the rise of $82 million in a Series B funding round aimed at developing a secure global crypto payments network. Coinbase secures registration with India's Financial Intelligence Unit. Coinbase has registered with India's Financial Intelligence Unit, FIU, allowing it to offer crypto trading services in the country. Finery Markets partners with Sage Capital. Finery Markets has announced its partnership with Sage Capital in order to boost institutional crypto liquidity access for its customers. Visa says new anti-scam unit thwarted $350 million in attempted fraud. Visa says that its newly formed scam disruption practice prevented more than $350 million in attempted fraud in 2024. RBA bangs heads over proposals to decommission bulk electronic clearing system. The Reserve Bank of Australia has called for more clarity in planning for the decommissioning of the bulk electronic clearing system, BECS, arguing that the industry is yet to arrive at a shared vision of the desired features of account-to-account payments in Australia and that there has been insufficient industry coordination, planning and certainty regarding the transition. SMB financial management platform MeMo raises $8.5 million. MeMo, a UK-based platform for simplifying global payments, cash flow, and financial management for SMBs and accountants, has raised $8.5 million in an equity round led by Project A and joined by Northzone and Seedcamp. Exciting lineup revealed. Meet the first 10 speakers for Next Gen Nordics. The Nordic payments ecosystem is among the most innovative and forward-thinking in the world. As digital payments continue to evolve and transform the financial landscape, it is crucial to have experts who can guide and shape this transformation. The following individuals confirmed speakers for Next Gen Nordics 2025 at Menkenbryggeriet in Stockholm, Sweden, on the 29th of April 2025 are recognized leaders in the Nordic payments industry, and their expertise makes them the best speakers on trends within this space. UK government confirms plans to scrap payment systems regulator. The UK government has confirmed plans to abolish the payment systems regulator, slashing red tape in a bid to boost economic growth. BOS platform Synctera raises $15 million. Banking as a service player Synctera has raised $15 million in funding and signed online checkout giant Bolt as a customer. HSBC joins $51 million funding round for immigrant neobank Zolve. Zolve, a neobank for immigrants to the U.S., is planning international growth after securing $51 million in a Series B funding round led by Creaegis and joined by HSBC. 6 to cut 150 jobs. Swiss exchange operator SIX is to axe 150 jobs as part of a 3-year strategy to cut costs and boost profits. Deutsche Bank includes the Swiss franc in its clearing services. Deutsche Bank has expanded its cross-border payment solutions to include Swiss franc, CHF, clearing, allowing financial institutions to settle transactions in this currency. dLocal and Coda partner to expand gaming payment solutions. Coda and dLocal have announced a strategic collaboration aimed at expanding payment options for gaming publishers in emerging markets. Plata raises $160 million in Series A funding round. Mexico-based fintech startup Plata has announced the rise of $160 million in a Series A funding round, becoming one of the region's unicorn startups. MeFinity to provide additional payment options in Asia. MeFinity, an iGaming e-wallet provider, has announced that it has expanded its presence in Asia by delivering additional local payment options. UK government moves to abolish payment systems regulator. The UK government has announced plans to dissolve the Payment Systems Regulator, PSR, consolidating its responsibilities under the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. Finecchia expands access to Cardano ETN by cross-listing on the German stock exchange. Finecchia has revealed the cross-listing of its Finecchia FTSE Cardano Enhanced Yield, YADA, exchange-traded note, ETN, on the German stock exchange. Navigating an omnichannel payments strategy. One of the biggest challenges in the payments landscape is that customer expectations are constantly evolving. Thank you for joining us for today's coverage. Remember, you can delve deeper into any story we discussed today by visiting our news section at baypayforum.com. We're here every day, bringing you the critical insights and latest trends across the payments and fintech landscape. Until next time, I'm Lisa, thanking you for watching and inviting you to join us again tomorrow for more updates. Stay informed, stay ahead.